Hey guys, we are back with a comparison. Today we're doing the Sony a6500. We both have one. The thing here is we have a 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens going on right there.
Right here, guys.
This is a super cheap lens. You can probably get it with the camera for fairly cheap. If you buy separately, I think I saw it on Amazon for about $150. I mean, that was pretty cheap.
Yeah, cheap is $150.
Cheap is $150. It can go all the way up to $300.
Yeah.
And then we have the absolute favorite of a bunch of people. I've been seeing this recommendation online a lot, so I picked up one. This is 18 to 105. This sucker can zoom pretty good. So today I want to do a comparison because when I was looking at this lens, there wasn't much comparison around. So I want to do some video tests on both of these lenses. Since we have two a6500 bodies, it should be a fair comparison. The only difference is the lens. So let's roll that intro. Alright guys, so our first test is going to be the S&Q mode. We set that on number 2. S&Q mode, 120 frames per second, so we get some slow motion. There's gonna be some epic B-roll stuff. We're gonna try to shoot the same thing together, but it may not be the same focal length or whatever,
yeah.
But we're gonna try to get as much of the same thing as possible, okay?
By the way, S&Q stands for slow and quick. Just FYI.
What if it's F and Q, fast and quick?
Oh, you can't have fast and quick together.
That's true. Okay, 2 is trying to get the shot right now with this cup. He's trying to do 50 millimeter. So again, mine is hitting about f4 right now, so it didn't change to f5.6. So for some of you guys that are looking for these lenses, this is one of the big feature about this lens, and the reason why it's bigger as well is because it's constant f4 is really hard to get. I mean, if you look for lenses, the expensive ones are the one that stays constant when you zoom. Okay. Alright guys, so we have our 2 cameras set up here, hitting the record button. Here's the prop over here, some nice boba.
So we're testing how fast the lenses are at focusing 120 frames per second. So what we're trying to do is pick up the cup, and then put the cup back down. We do a couple of times and see how fast the lens can focus on the cup.
Okay guys, so what we're doing right now is we are sitting over here on this bench. We are going to record the cup all the way over there.
16, it's pretty far. At 50, 5.6, yeah.
So that right there is at 105, zoomed all the way in. Alright guys, so there you go. That is just a quick test. We can't handle the heat anymore out here. Our camera, this one, that one, it's literally overheated. So I don't think we can do any more tests, but that's just a quick test to let you guys see what these two lenses are like. So the price point of this camera right here is about $150. I saw like a couple of days ago, that's the lowest. It ranges from $150 to all the way to $300. This lens right here, it's going for $550. That's right now, that's at its lowest on Amazon. I've seen it gone all the way to like $600, which I don't know, if you do $600, you might want to get like a Zeiss lens or something, because I think it's pretty close already. Yeah, there's a Zeiss lens, 16 to 70. That is, that's about $700-800, something like that. Anyway,
16 to 70?
16 to 70, and it is a Zeiss lens. It's actually like smaller than this lens, yeah.
Oh,
but the review isn't as good on that lens, yeah,
especially
than
for
this one.
For the Zeiss glass?
Yeah, with the Zeiss glass and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys find this quick comparison useful. If you like it, hit the like button, and we'll do more of these, maybe when the heat is not like upon us with 110 degree and our camera doesn't die. So next time we will do some more comparison. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye guys.